Here's a quick screen recording on how to use Elementor to create pages. After you're logged in, you go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you choose Pages, Add New. You can also do New Page. So you do Pages, Add New. You give your page a title. And then I'm going to publish it. It's much easier if you publish it when you're going to create with Elementor. Publish. You click Edit with Elementor. The Elementor editor will open. Each one of these blank sections is where you can, or blank spaces, where you can add a section. If you drag and drop a widget into that section, it will add a single column section. The way pages are laid out on the webs, and this has been for ever since responsive design was introduced, is in sections, which are called more often called rows, and columns. What happens on mobile devices is widgets within a single section will stack, and columns will stack. Generally, the right column will stack underneath the left column. So we'll start with a new section. The new section is constrained. If you right-click, edit the section, you have the option of going full width. You'll notice now that the section is full width. This is a matter of preference on how you want your pages to look. We're going to choose full width because we'll show you simply how you add a picture at the top. We go back to our widgets, we grab a widget, and we drop it into the section. Then we simply choose the image, we go into the image, and we pick whichever image we want to use. So we'll use, let's see, yeah, that's a big enough image. So you see, we've inserted an image and it's way too big. So we'll automatically reduce it. Now it's small. We'll do 700. I think that's probably a good size to start with. There's a lot more interesting things you can do in terms of editing the section. Under the styling of the section, you can put a background on the section. You can do a color background. You can do a gradient background. We'll do yellow to red. A lot of options. They're all simply point and click and choose. We'll update that. We'll add another section, and we'll add a 2-column section. In this section now, we're going to add a video. Then we're going to add some text. The video, right-click on the pencil, edit video, or you can click on the pencil, just click. And we go to get a video. I don't know why the videos that I put the other day weren't there. We'll just pick one. What the heck? We go to a video. We just click on the top. You don't get the share link. You get the link at the top. When you copy the link in, the video automatically changes. Text is real easy. You just use all the same tools that I laid out in the classic editor video to edit. As you go down the page to create your page, you have lots and lots of options. We'll go back to a single section. We'll go in, and if you wanted to put, this is one of the advantages I mentioned of having categories and posts, because we can go in here and get a posts widget. So if we take a posts widget, we put it in here, we can do cards. And we now have the ability to show a whole series of posts. There are, as you can see, whoops. A whole ton of widgets. And learning all the widgets takes a lot of time. If you're used to Facebook and just using a few different things, images, videos, headings, text, it's pretty easy to start using Elementor, and then you can experiment on your pages and learn how to use all the rest of the widgets over time. It's really a simple, easy to use page editor that gives you the ability to create really pretty and mobilely responsive pages on the fly. I'll talk more about it later. We'll probably do one of those, use my Google business meetings. We can do an online tutorial together, and I can cover more of how to use Elementor. So I think I'll just cut that off here. Thanks, bye.